Hi, Katrin here with European Papercrafts. I'm located in California and I ship nationwide as well as to Canada. And today I have picked products for Father's Day. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with the Ultimate Die Cut and Paper Pack by Papermania. This one is called Mr. Mister and therefore obviously suited for masculine and Father's Day cards. These die cut and paper packs are a real bang for your buck. You get 48 sheets, 18 die cut sheets, 22 papers in 11 designs, 8 decoupage sheets and 4 designs. And each sheet has several embellishments, so you can make literally hundreds of cards with just one pack. So I took one pack out and we're gonna just look at a few sheets, not all of them. So this is just a selection. I just wanted to show you what you can expect with this pack. So obviously this is the cover sheet. Then you get background papers. And yeah, so these are your background papers. Isn't that fun? With the crossword, you got some sentiments here. This is the basic color scheme, so you know what colors to expect. Very fun. So several different background papers. Again, I'm not going to go through the entire pack. These are just a few samples. Then you get the decoupage. So these are the ones that you put on top of each other and make 3D cards. And we have here Mr. Fix-It, number 1, You Are My Hero, You Are Simply the Best, Best Dad in the World, Simply the Best. And then not just that you can make 2 cards with those, you can actually make more than one. You don't have to use all the layers. You can stretch it a little bit more and make more cards. Then you have die cut borders. And now you get all these die cut sheets with all these extra card toppers. And there are literally so many. You can make Father's Day cards, cards for your brothers, your male colleagues. Everybody with guys in their lives has a lot of options in this pack. And it even comes with gift card holders. They're already pre-cut and pre-scored. All you have to do is fold them and glue them together. And then you have some great gift card holders, or you can use them as little envelopes on your cards. So as you can see, these are again gift card holders. There are so many different options and it's totally great for Father's Day. And then there are even some alphabet stickers. I already used a couple and I'm going to show you my sample cards. And here's the first one. I have number 1, Dad, You Are the Best. And I used the background paper. I also used one of the many tags that come. And then one decoupage piece. And from that same sheet, you can see now, I used it twice. This is actually for one embellishment, but both are layered because there are so many different layers. So I made a second card, and then even a third card, and this has Scrabble pieces. Okay. You are number 1. Okay, so yeah, so this is the Ultimate Die Cut and Paper Pack, Mr. Mister. Next up are my easy 3D toppers, and this time I picked 2 that are suitable for Father's Day. The first one is Vintage Cars. In these bags you find 10 different embellishments. Each comes in a little individual bag with 3 steps. So we have all these different old-time looking cards. I think they make great cards. So I took one out of the bag so you have an idea, first of all, how they come. So they're pretty big. This is 4.5 inches by 3 inches. So this is your base layer. And then you have your second layer. And then you have your third layer. And then you put foam dots in between, and you have your 3D embellishment. What else comes in this bag? We have this Volkswagen bus, and then all kinds of vintage looking cars. So I think these are great for masculine cards. And then the next one I picked is the drinks and cocktails. So there are also some that would be very suitable for a masculine card. How about this whiskey bottle? Then we have tequila. There we go. I don't know what that is. Aperitif. We have a nice cocktail. Now that may be not for Father's Day, but you can use that for another card. And we have lemonade here. But here is red wine. Here is white wine. Here is old rum. That certainly would go on a masculine card. You have champagne. So this is a versatile set. You can use it for anniversaries. And then here I like that. My dad would have loved this one. That is a beer. Just the way he would have liked it. So these are again the easy 3D toppers, drinks and cocktails, and vintage cars. So then I found these Anita's foil decoupage sheets. The first one here is called By the Sea, and you have two different embellishments. We have a balloon here, and there's the father, and then also we have a windmill with a fisherman. So anybody who likes the seaside, that would also make great cards for your dad. And you have those base layers and then all these different top layers. They are numbered, so it's easy to put them one on top of the other. The next one is called Sailing, and Sailing has this great light tower here, and then also down here the sailboat. And with this set again, you can make more than 2 cards because you don't have to use all layers. You could use just a couple of layers and then make 2 cards. And you always have this extra art here where you can stamp your sentiments or maybe decorate your envelope or the inside of your card. And then the last one is called the Countryside Travels. And again, we have some vintage looking cars. This one here is looks like a Volkswagen Bug right there on the coast. And then here a Mini Cooper in an English countryside. So very cute. These are the Anita's foil decoupage, and you find all the links in the info box below. To finish it off, I picked a couple of hunky-dory decoupage sets and also one of the Amy design die cut sheets. So this one is called Meritum, and you can see it has these beach scenes. And for those dads that like to be at the coastside, I think these make great cards for them. Here we have a sailboat. You have 3 embellishments here: sailboat and the life ring, and then of course this beach scene here in the different layers, all numbered. So then for Hunky Dory, this one is called On the Green and Gone Fishing. This actually comes in 3 sheets, so let's take a look. So first you have the die cut sheet, and you have the golf equipment in different layers, and then also the fishing equipment and then the different layers. And then you also have 2 background cardstock. So This is thick cardstock in matching colors. And then on the pack, you even have a sample card. So this is the On the Green and Gone Fishing. And then I also picked Alive at Sea. Let's see what we have in there. So those dads that like to be on the ocean sailing or even on the lake, you have all these different sailboats here. These are not numbered and they don't go on top of each other, so those are all individual card toppers. And it has all the sentiments too. It has Happy Father's Day. It has sending lots of love on your big day. Happy birthday. So you can make more than one card. It says just for you, and then to someone very special with love. And this set also comes with 2 background papers. So you can make great cards with this beautiful cardstock. So you could use this as a card yourself. You can just make big cards, score it in the middle, and use that as your card. And again, here is a sample for you right on the package. And this is Hunky Dory. This is it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Pinterest and Facebook. You can also become a European Papercrafts Facebook craft group member. This is free, and there you can upload your own crafts. So I'm always interested in what my customers are creating with these beautiful materials, but you can upload any craft item. It doesn't have to be a card or a tag. So it doesn't have to be paper crafts. You will also see what I am creating every weekend. I'm creating cards, tags, embellishments, and I will upload those on a weekly basis. And if you want to see more great 3D card making materials, then please visit my website, europeanpapercrafts.com. So thanks again, and I'll catch you next time.